hope everybody are doing well. So in this video, we will be solving the fifth question of our exercise 3.1. So let's do it. So as the question says, construct a 3 into 4 matrix whose elements are given by. So here basically we have to construct a 3 into 4 matrix, which means there should be 3 rows and 4 columns in this matrix, and we have to find all the elements with the help of A, I, J. So let's first construct the 3 into 4 matrix. We'll name this matrix as A. A is equals to A11, A12, A13, A14, then A21, A22, A23, A24, then A31, A32, A33, A34. So in this matrix, as you can see, there are 3 rows and 4 columns. So we can call completely this as 3 by 4 matrix. Now for all these elements, we have to find the values with this help of Aij. So first let's find for A11. So A11. Here we have to simply replace this 1 and 1 in place of I and J. Aij. In place of Aij, we have to replace this number. So let's write down the question again. 1 by 2 mod of minus 3I plus J. So here in place of I we have to substitute 1, and in place of J we have to substitute 1. So let's do it. 1 by 2 minus 3, in place of I we are substituting 1, plus in place of J again 1, so that will be minus 3 plus 1, then 1 by 2 minus 2. So here mode means we have to change the sign and write it down. 1 by 2 into 2, whereas 2 gets cancelled and we get 1 as the answer. So here we are getting the value for A11 is 1. So as we found the value of A11, now we will find for all these values. So let's find for A12. So A12, nothing but you just simply have to replace in place of I and J with number 1 and 2. Let's write down the question. 1 by 2 mod of minus 3I plus J. So 1 by 2 minus 3, in place of I we have to write down 1, and in place of J we have to write down 2. So let's do it. So 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 2. Then after substituting we get minus 1. Removing the mode is nothing but just changing the sign. 1 by 2 into 1. So we get 1 by 2. So value of A12 is 1 by 2. We'll find for A13. So we'll write down the question. 1 by 2 mod of minus 3I plus J. So 1 by 2 minus 3, in place of I we are writing down 1, plus in place of J we are writing down 3. 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 3. So 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 3 is nothing but 0. 1 by 2 into 0, anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So value of A13 is 0. The same way we will find for A14. Writing down the question. 1 by 2 minus 3I plus J is equals to. So 1 by 2 minus 3, in place of I we are writing down 1, plus in place of J we are writing down 4, is equals to 1 by 2 mod of minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 4. So we get 1 by 2 mod of minus 3 plus 4, 1. So minus 3 plus 4 we get 1. Then removing the mod into 1, that is nothing but 1 by 2. So A14 is 1 by 2. Now we will find A21. Writing down the question, 1 by 2 mod of minus 3I plus j, substituting this 2 and 1 in place of I and j, that is 1 by 2 mod of minus 3. In place of I we have 2 plus in place of j we have 1. We get 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 plus 1. So, sorry, you have to write down mod. Minus 6 plus 1, then we get 1 by 2 mod of minus 5. Moving the mod, 1 by 2 into 5, that is nothing but 5 by 2. So A21 is 5 by 2. Then the value for A22. It is 1 by 2 minus 3I plus j. 1 by 2, replacing the values of I and j. Minus 3 in place of I there is 2 and in place of j again there is 2, is equals to 1 by 2 mod of minus 3 2s are 6 plus 2 is equals to 1 by 2 minus 4. Removing the mod, 2 into 4 we get 4 by 2, that is nothing but 2 1s are 2 2s are, so value of A22 is 2. Then finding A23. A23 is equals to 1 by 2 mod of minus 3I plus j. Replacing the value of I and j, that is minus 3. In place of I there is 2 plus in place of j there is 3. We get 1 by 2 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 3. So 1 by 2 minus 3. So removing the mod, 1 by 2 into 3, that is nothing but 3 by 2. So A23 is 3 by 2. A24, we get 1 by 2 mod of minus 3I plus j is equals to 1 by 2 mod of minus 3. In place of I there is 2 plus in place of j there is 4. We get 1 by 2 mod of 3 2s are 6 plus 4. Solving this, we get 1 by 2, we get minus 2. Then removing the mod is 2. 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. So value of A24 is 1. A31, writing down the question, 1 by 2 mod of minus 3I plus j. Now replacing the values, 1 by 2 mod of minus 3. In place of I there is 3 plus in place of j there is 1. We get 1 by 2. Minus 3 into 3 is minus 9 plus 1. Substituting this, we get minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. Then removing the mod into 8, we get 8 by 2. So the answer is 2 1s are 2 4s are. Value of A31 is 4. Then A32. A32, writing down the question, minus 3I plus j. 1 by 2, in place of I there is 3 and in place of j there is 2. And substituting this, minus 9 plus 2, we get minus 7. Removing the mod into 7, that will be 7 by 2. So here we got the value of A32. Then finding the value of A33. 1 by 2 minus 3I plus j. Replacing the value of I and j, we minus 3. I value is 3 plus j value is also 3. So 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 is minus 9 plus 3. 1 by 2, substituting this, we get minus 6. So removing the mod, 1 by 2 into 6. Removing the mod is nothing but changing the minus sign to plus. So we get 6. Then solving this, we get 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. So value of A33 is nothing but 3. Writing down the question, 1 by 2 mod of minus 3i plus j. So 1 by 2 minus 3i is nothing but 3 here, plus j is nothing but 4. So it will be 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 is minus 9 plus 4 mod. 1 by 2 nothing but minus 5. Then removing the mod into 5, we get 5 by 2. So A34 is 5 by 2. So here we found all the values. Now we will write all those values in matrix A. A is equals to,
value of A11 is 1, value of A12 is 1 by 2, then value of 13 is 0, value of A14 is 1 by 2, then value of A21 is 5 by 2, value of A22 is 2, then value of A23 is 3 by 2, and then value of A24 is 1, then value of A31 is 4. We'll write down these values, 7 by 2, then 3 by 1, which is simply 3, and 5 by 2. So here finally we are getting the A matrix. I hope you guys are clear with this question. If there is any doubt, you guys can comment down below. I will be there to help you guys. And thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Meet you all in our next video.